hey man, we got a club car here, and the customer said whenever they floor it, the car shuts off. I'm sure everybody experienced this problem. And what I'm gonna do, I have it in the run position. I'm gonna show y'all how to test the MCore. Now I have the key off, and I have it in neutral. You can see reverse, neutral. And what I'm gonna check is, I'm gonna check the potentiometer to make sure that it's not over revving the controller and kicking out. So what I'm gonna do, I have to unplug my controller from here. I'm gonna take my voltmeter and put it on ohms, which is the horseshoe looking thing. And then I'm going to put it in the white wire and in the yellow wire. All right, you can see just like that, I have 5.7 ohms. Now I'm gonna take my leg and floor it with my foot, and you don't want to see, make sure the key's off, and you have it in neutral, and you don't want to see but 0 volts going down with it. You can see I'm going closer and closer down. Now right now, about half throttle, all the way down now. And you can see I'm back up to 100 and 200 ohms. I'm gonna back off a little bit. You right there, I'm at 0.7, which is what it should be. When I floor it all the way, I over rev to 300 ohms. So that right there tells me that my MCore is bad. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come up here, pull like this. Now some of them you got to take them T40s out just when you don't have to. I'm going to look under here. Put this right here, pull this up, and I'm gonna see what she has. It's got the MCore, like MCore 4. All right. Alright, so what we're going to do is take the MCore up, because like I said, the MCore is causing over rev, so it's shutting off. So what I'm going to do, T40 right here. Now yours has probably got T27s on this side. This has got 3/8, because it's been gone into before, because these bolts are bad for rusting. On the side near you, you got the T40s. Take them out. Make sure your key's off at this time now. Now whenever you take this up here, make sure that you don't pull your brake cables off that bracket there. So what I'm gonna do, and the scary part about it is, if you look at it, looks like a brand new MCore. Brand new. That's 2043, so it might be not built number. So what we're gonna do, take it off, unplug this. Now I'll get me like an Allen wrench. This with it. MCore out safe. You can pull this out. You can see like that. Put the new one in. Now normally on these here you can get the aftermarket and they'll be fine. So what we're gonna do, line it up. Make sure the clips are in. Put the screw back in it. You can See what holds it in here is these right here, these tabs pop in that hole. So what I'm gonna do, put it back down, plug it back in. And I'm gonna go down to the controller again and test it. Plug them in, make sure they snap in good. I will try to pull it back out. Like I said, make sure that these here don't come out. They do, you gotta slide them in this spot first, just slide them back down. Then we're going to test voltage again and see if it's doing the same thing. Back in the white wire, back in the yellow wire. Pin 1, pin 2. Alright, so same thing there. We're going to put it neutral. Yellow wire and the white wire. We're gonna see if a full pedal, if it goes over 0 ohms. All right, it's right there. I'm gonna hit the gas. You can see right there, full is 5. It's wide open there, 5 to 0. All right. You can see right there, halfway up, going down, going down. That there, you see, it's not over 0. It ain't going over ohms, so it should be good. So let's try it and see. All right, we're gonna try it and see if it works. All right, we're gonna see if you floor it and it shuts off. Let's see. Oh no, nope. Watch it. I'll floor it. See you over there. So that was it, man. That fixed it, man. If you buy one offline and you got a problem like that, you know what the problem is now. All right, man, I'll remember, watch my next video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hey, hey, hey.